Zoho One versus Hubspot versus GHL, best CRM. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of Zoho One, HubSpot, and GHL. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Zoho One is an all-in-one business suite that provides CRM, finance, marketing, and automation tools. It is cost-effective for small to medium businesses and integrates well with third-party apps. The platform offers strong automation features, but the interface can feel complex due to the number of applications. Customization is somewhat limited, and advanced features may require additional costs. HubSpot is known for its user friendly CRM with powerful marketing, sales, and customer service tools. It offers a free plan with essential features, making it great for startups and small businesses. HubSpot's automation, analytics, and integrations make it a strong choice. However, its paid plans can be expensive, and some advanced features require higher tier subscriptions. GHL GoHighLevel is a CRM designed specifically for marketing agencies, offering automation, funnel building, and client management tools. It provides white label solutions, making it ideal for agencies looking to offer branded services. GHL has strong automation capabilities but has a learning curve, and some users find its interface less intuitive compared to competitors. Pricing can also be high for smaller businesses. So that's basically the main differences between Zoho One, HubSpot, and GHL, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. So that's all for this video.